Hello, hello, welcome back. This is Bree with My Lavender Pages, and I'm doing a voiceover because I have Mango with me, and I didn't think you guys would want to listen to him chirp and sing and play, so I thought I'd try and do a voiceover. Hard thing is, it is now Tuesday, the week of this particular plan, and I'm still trying to get this all filmed. We're using a MandyLynn plans kit. This is spring florals, and I have the weekly page with the washi strips and the journaling kit, so we'll be using both. Let me show you how things are going with this week. I do need to wipe my desk off, which is always a fun thing to do. I use baby wipes. This is why I keep baby wipes in my room. The joys of having a bird. All right. I have my windows open, so if you hear random kids riding bikes and stuff, that is what you're hearing. Okay, let me show you what we've got going on. Not much has changed. Looks like March is a rainbow of weather. It is all different colors. In fact, I even added snow this last week to the rainbow colors of weather for March. Lots of fun. We have the holidays page. I haven't updated the dots at this point, but I did later. The steps page, getting a little better with my steps. Future log. And then the Feeling Blue tracker. It wasn't the best week, but things did get better. Migraine tracker, also not the best week, but that's kind of how they go. Then we have the habit tracker. My sleep was not very good, and the migraines were kind of high this week. This is my March calendar. It's full, and this is the week we're going to plan right here. And I am filming it on the 18th. Here's my current week. Well, it was the current week when I was filming. And this is the week we're going to plan. It is the last official week of March. This is what my daily page looked like that day. Very busy. My daily pages look pretty much the same throughout the month. I haven't put the pictures in it yet. And that was March. Here is my April calendar. I do have a plan with me on this, but I haven't edited it yet. It will be uploaded before April begins. All right, here we go. I'm going to put my base down first with the washi, and then we will go from there. I think I'm going to use the flags again for this particular week instead of the circles, and I use my Sharpie for those. Okay, I tuck these at the very back of my book to use throughout the rest of the week. And then we pull out the boxes. There are only 3 days. Well, my kids are only in school 3 days this week because we start spring break on Thursday. Technically, spring break doesn't start till Friday, but we're checking our kids out of school on Thursday because we are planning a car trip to Houston, Texas. So I only work 3 days this week. My husband only works 3 days this week, and my kids are only in school 3 days this week. So I'm putting a box at the beginning of Thursday and Friday because we're planning to leave from Utah Thursday morning and leave from Albuquerque, New Mexico Friday morning. Then we're putting a box down a little bit lower on Thursday because that's when we plan to arrive in Albuquerque, New Mexico. Oh, I'm getting into a fight with Mango. And arrive in Houston, Texas late Friday evening. He's actually pretty quiet when I'm not talking, so if I don't say anything, you don't hear him, but when I'm talking, he's quite loud. Alright, I'm going to use the bigger boxes for work. We'll put those down next. And we're only going to do 3 because I only work 3 days. I'm going to try and put 5 hours of work in each day. And then my husband has his meetings on Tuesday. And then on Monday, which happens to be today, Miss AJ has her rehearsal until 4:30, and I have a doctor's appointment at 1:30. So I make sure I put a box in for each of those. In fact, I'm sitting in front of the school right now waiting to pick up Miss AJ. I got here a little early to have some quiet time. Alright, then on Wednesday, Miss AJ has rehearsal until 4:30 again. And my kids have their church-sponsored activity days at 7 o'clock, which will give my husband and I about an hour alone to pack our truck. Alright, check the calendar, make sure you didn't forget anything. I think we got everything. Say hi. Alright, let's put down the spring break word script. Even though for everybody else it starts on Friday, I'm going to put it on Thursday. Okay, I have a few boxes left. Tuck it in the back to use for the rest of the week. And I'm going to go ahead and write everything in, and I will speed this up because I tend to write a little bit slow. Alright, the freebie from MandyLynn Plans this month matched the kit perfectly. So I'm going to go ahead and put down some deco that goes along with this kit. I saved it specifically to use for this week because this week is going to be so incredibly busy. Oh my goodness. My list is very, very long of things I need to get done. Pardon. Okay, now I do need to pull my sticker book to get the Easter sticker from the Coffee Monsterz Co. to put on Sunday. There we go. And we will be celebrating Easter with family while we are in Houston. Okay, let's see, do I have anything else? I think I was looking for the spring break MandyLynn Plans freebie, which I never did find. So I'm thinking it's on the April freebie, but I'm not sure. To this day, I still haven't found it. So I do have April's freebie somewhere, but I can't remember where I put it. It'll turn up at some point, and I'll just add it to everything else that I've done. But yeah, to this day, still haven't found it. Okay, I think my daughter is out of her rehearsal, so I will pause here. One moment, please. Okay, I wanted to show you how I do my weather. I put it down at the bottom of every week. I have weather.com or the weather channel pulled up on my laptop over to the right of where I am filming this. So I'm going to pull up the 10-day forecast on my laptop, and I use the Stedler Circle Stencil. My husband found this at the school, and I inherited it, and I use it for the sun. So the first 3 days, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, I will do the weather for Salt Lake. Then on Thursday, because we're staying in Albuquerque, New Mexico, I'll do that weather. And then on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, I'll do Cleveland, Texas weather. So I always use the 05 Tombow drawing pen to do the base of the weather. And I line up the lines that are on the circle with the lines that are part of the grid for the Wonderland 222 notebooks. So for the first 3 days we have sunshine, so I'm drawing the sunshine in for the weather on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Then while we're staying in New Mexico, it is going to be partly cloudy. So I start drawing the cloud first. It will also be partly cloudy in Texas for the first 3 days while we are there. So I draw the clouds in for those 3 days as well. Go back and add the sun, and I line it up with the grid on the Wonderland 222 notebook. Next, I use the 03 mono drawing pen to add the squiggly lines for the sunshine. I also use it to write in the temperature. And that is how I do the weather. Thank you so much. For joining me. I hope you like this video. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you'd like to see more. I hope everybody has a fantastic spring break. If you've already had yours, I hope you enjoyed. And for those of you who haven't, I hope it all is well with you. Talk to you soon. Bye.